wave.
I don't care whatever time for you do. I just like the fucking ears just for the hell of it.
Break, break, break. 47 diesel wagon trying from Tennessee.
Hello, 47 diesel wagon. 47 diesel wagon sounding good in Tennessee, man. 018 Tennessee Beavis, Donkey Stomper Wave. Good evening time. Welcome to the weekend.
All right there, honky tonk. Yeah, you're coming in loud and proud, man. What's your 20 there?
018 Tennessee Beavis, Donkey Stomper.
What fucking mess looks like?
Oh, Donkey Stomper. Yeah, man, you're coming in loud and proud over here in Tennessee. I don't know how far away I am from you. I'm over here on 40 by exit 301 on the eastbound or westbound side.
Oh, you're not that far away, man. You're just about 50 or 60 miles away. But you're sounding good, man. Appreciate the holler. 018 Tennessee Beavis, waving a hand.
All right there, man. Have a good one. Take it easy. Enjoy the weekend.
Leave me at the fucking wrong pile. You little bitch.
Body pistol, body pistol, body pistol grip. 018 Tennessee Beavis, we're looking.
Acts like you don't know.
Hey, how about you there, Donkey Stomper? How about you, Donkey Stomper, your friend up here in the trash can in New York? Oh, Oscar the Grouch waving a fire.
Hello, Oscar. Hello, Oscar the Grouch in New York, man. You're sounding real good in Tennessee. Good to hear you on here, man. Hope you have a good weekend. 018 Tennessee Beavis, Donkey Stomper Wave.
Yeah, wave right back to you, no question about it there. You're sounding good up here, too, in this station. We heard you in here, so we have a wave of friendly five there. Hope you have a good weekend coming up. Your friend in this trash can will be sitting here listening.
All right, Oscar, sounding good in Tennessee, my friend. You know what it is? Your friend 10, 018 Beavis, Donkey Stomper Wave.
Hello, 01866 in Boston with the quick wave.
Hello, 66 in Boston. Hello, 66 in Boston. Good evening time, man. Welcome to the weekend. 018 Tennessee Beavis, Donkey Stomper Wave.
I appreciate that, Beavis. Donkey Stomper, 018. You got a lot of handles. Hey, 018, you're blowing smoke in Beantown. Put it on you later. 66 is gone.
Right, yeah, my handle's actually Beavis, man, but I'm also the builder of Donkey Stomper. That's why I say that. Anyway, man, you take care. 018 Tennessee Beavis. We're waving a hand.
No, I get it, man. I get it. I know what the Donkey Stomper box is. No doubt about it. Hey, 018, have a fine weekend coming up. 66 in Boston. Bye, bye, bye.
All right, 66, I got you on a video game, man. Have a good weekend. You're sounding good in 10.
Hey, 10-4 on the video game. Hey, Ma. Hello, Ma. Hey, Ma. I always wanted to say that on video game. Hey, Donkey Stomper, you have a great weekend. 73s, you're blowing smoke. Blowing smoke in Boston. 66, the domino player got down and gone.
All right, 66, I'll put that up on Donkey Stomper's YouTube here in a little while, man, when I get done with the video game. Take care. We're listening in.
And that's my Donkey Stomper Roger.
Where you at, Pistol Grip? You messaged me, told me to get on here. Where you at, buddy? New Jersey. Hello, 149 New Jersey, 018 Tennessee Beavis, Donkey Stomper Wave.
I'll wave it right back, big brother. Welcome to the weekend. Welcome to the weekend when it comes, big brother. 149 New Jersey, go.
All right, 149 sounding good in 10, man. You have a good weekend coming up. You know who it is, 018 Tennessee Beavis, Donkey Stomper Wave.
Donkey Stomper, hello, 508.
New Jersey, fire. 149 New Jersey, clear.
Hey, Donkey Stomper, 508 Boston.
Hello, 508 Boston. Hello, 508 Boston. Good evening time to you, man. Welcome to the weekend.
Roger, roger. Appreciate the comeback. Donkey Stomper, 508 Boston, back out.
All right, 508, sounding good in 10 once again, man. Have a good weekend coming up. Appreciate you hollering. You know it is 018 Tennessee Beavers, Donkey Stomper Wave.
018, take care. 508 on the flat side, 2 element B.
You know that 149 in Patterson, New Jersey. 149 east side of New Jersey, getting on now.
Check, check. 149, you're still getting on down in Tennessee, man.
And that's a New Jersey ride. 149 east side of New Jersey, go now.
That's how you do it, coat hanger. Bump it up.
Hey, Rich, you ready? You? Gonna get right to you because you said 7 right around New Jersey. 701 149 New Jersey, get down.
Four six seven, Garden State, waving a hand.
Hey, 701. You
701, you got a copy on Boston, 508.
Oh, yeah, one, wave, go.
You got 508 up there in Boston. Hello. 701, you got a copy on Boston, 508.
Hey, Trinitron 9. Hey, Trinitron 9. It's rough and tough on my amber. 64 and 10. Hey, Trinitron 9. We're going to welcome you to the weekend.
Pistol Grip, 018 Tennessee Beavers, Donkey Stomper Wave.
Beavers, no. Hey, Beavers.
Kodak up there around Massachusetts.
Roger, Pistol Grip. I got your message a while ago, man. I turned this thing on. I got your message there. You sounded real good, Pistol Grip. Your friend 10, 018 Beavers, Donkey Stomper Wave.
I'm road testing this 39, Beavers. Hey, Beavers, I'm road testing this 39. I'm going on radio. Hey, Zone.
10-4, road testing the 39. Well, 39's working for you, Pistol Grip. You know who it is. Your friend 10, 018 Beavers. Welcome to the weekend, man.
Hey, guys, Kodak is
rocking and rolling. No, I got 018 Trinitron 9, rocking and rolling. Now we got Beavers out here. We got Trinitron.
Hello, Trinitron 9. I don't know if you can hear me because Pistol Grip, I think, was keyed up. Trinitron 9, riding the wave, walking on water. Hello, my friend, T9, 018 Beavers with the wave.
Made a lot of noise here. 64 in the time. Coney Island, good evening, 018 Trinitron 9, rocking and rolling.
Yeah, good to hear you on there, Trinitron 9. I got you on video gate, man. Hope you have a good weekend coming up. You sounding good in 10, my friend. We're listening in.
Under the moonlight in Coney Island, just trying to get my conditions straight.
me and my Kodak is back on the porch with the baby driver. Thank you.
Rocking and rolling.
Roger on Trinitron 9 is rocking and rolling in Tennessee.
I have to say it just this way. It is now official. It is now official. Your New York video gate is now rolling. 127 New York is back way.
Porch.
Pistol Grip said the video gate's rolling. Pistol Grip said the video gate's rolling. The Tennessee video gate's rolling too there, break.
It's officially 9:28 in the PM on Channel 28 in New York City, and the video gate is rolling. I didn't stutter, Beavers, and you didn't stutter while I road test this 39.
Yeah, boy, you're sounding good down here, trip sounded real good in Tennessee, and I got that gate rolling down here, man.
Who else got step in the water? Who else can get wet? I heard 64.
Now we gotta beat up Trinitron 9.
C4 a little while ago. Somebody else was trying to caps on what? Well,
Hey, Trinitron 9's in there pretty tough. He's gonna be real easy to beat up, and he ain't no slouch there, Roger.
Lady Coney Ellen, Trinitron 9. So has 55 caps.
But you know, until he says he got that video game rolling, we gotta get beat up.
I'm out here rocking and rolling. Hey, Mr. Grip, I'm out here rocking and rolling, trying to get my conditions right. Hey, Mr. Grip, I'm trying to get my... Wow, that's a lot of caps. A lot of work.
Well, you got me out here, you got Beavis, and the only rolling we want to hear from you is that you got your video game rolling.
I heard a Mr. Grip. A little something, something. Hey, Mr. Grip, I'm trying to do a little something. Hey, Roger that. 840 today. The signature 3900, pretty cool radio. Sounds pretty good. How's that about it? 3900 sounds MT840.
I don't have the mic knob set, it's all the way to the right. Hold on. Right, because right is right.
Mother Nature's playing games. She's trying to fade in and out. She's playing games with us there, Break.
Hey, you got all kinds of Mother Nature, sounds like.
Roger, who's that?
64.
Great audio, right?
Oh, okay, 64. You got Beavis over here, man. You're sounding good over here in Sparta.
Oh, you got it stolen, brother. I hear him hollering your name.
Tennessee, Beavis being nosy.
All right, just sounding good. Sounding good.
Did I hear my friend Mr. Donkey Stomper making the trip up north, old Maple Man, trying to get it back?
Oh, your mercy, Maple Man. What'd you do? Moved down here to Tennessee? Maple Man, my friend. Sounding good in team, man. Welcome to the weekend, bud.
Hey, welcome to the weekend right back, Donkey Stomper. Well, it's good hearing you in there. I've been away for a week. I thought I'd turn this duck plucking station on and plug some coax back in and wave a hand to you. Hey, Donkey Stomper, you know who it is, Maple Man. Get it back.
Hey, Maple Man, I got your video gate running. You're going to love this, man. Like I said, you sound like a localist, dead quiet. Then you come in here and just blow me out of my chair.
It won't be long until this we're touching on the 350 clone here, 350 clone 7 on the Hey, Donkey Stomper, you're sounding a whole bunch of good up north with that big old sounding station, no doubt about it, Maple Man. One more time, getting it back.
10-4, Maple Man. I hope everything's well and swell your way, man. Sounded good in Tennessee, and we'll post it up here a little bit and show you the video game. Sounded real good, man.
I don't know. There's 701 here. And I know I messaged you the other day about sending some boxes down. I've been away for about a week, so I'm gonna hopefully once the post office opens up again, I'll start packaging stuff up and getting them shipped south of the border there, Break.
All right, just let me know, man. We'll work them in, get you took care of. You know that.
Much appreciated, much appreciated. Like I say, there's no rush on them. They're just things lying around trying to clean up my shop here a little bit. Hey, Donkey Stomper, while you got that gate rolling, want to wave a hand at you? And I appreciate everything you do. Old Maple Man, one more time, get it back.
Roger, Maple Man. Hey, man, I appreciate you too, man. Appreciate the business and the support and the group member and all that. Sounded good, Maple Man. 018 Tennessee Beavis, Donkey Stomper Wave.
That's my Donkey Stomper, Roger. I'm back quiet. We'll see you now.
Evening out there, Bevo.
Hello, Bobcat, Tennessee, East Tennessee, waving, man.
Say hello out there, man. Just want to jump in there and say hi, man. Well, I got a chance, I hope. Ain't no doubt. Saying hi and I'm gone. Damn, there's some loud-ass radios in here this morning. I'm talking about some big rigs rolling in here on this channel this morning. This afternoon, hell, I don't even know what fucking time is it? Oh yeah, it's supposed to be 9:38 at night, or 9:35 at night. That's what you get for getting drunk today, I guess. Damn, there's some big rigs in here this afternoon. Yeah, that sounds better.
Hello there, road dog. If you can hear me on the back of my beam, behave over there.
I hear that. I hear you over there. You hear my mud station, even time, waving my paw back right back to you, brother. Appreciate the wave, ain't no doubt.
10-4, road dog. Sounding good over here in White County, man, over here around Sparta. You know it is. This Beavis over here waving a hand.
Hey, Beavis, ain't no doubt about it. Sound good. Sparta, Tennessee, getting on up. Sparta, Tennessee, sound.
Hey, Maple Man. Hey, Maple Man, to get me on the backscatter.
You know how it is. You know what it is. You know how it is. Stay cool when you stool there. I'll be chilling like a villain. Appreciate the wave.
Check.
Oh, Rusty Duster. Rusty, big block 440 Duster. Blowing a lot of rust and dust on the tracks. It just got down.
Cha-cha-cha.
Dodge with some Dodge.
My goodness.
I don't think Mother Nature can make up her mind what she wants to do. She's just in and out in Tennessee. Well, looks like we lost Mother Nature, guys, so I'm going to get off here and load this video gate up. Everybody up north, have a good evening. Welcome to the weekend. I wish you all the best from Donkey Stomper in Tennessee. Catch you later. We're listening in.
Hey, Davis, I think we're friends on Facebook out there. Rick Pratt. Send me your address there, brother. Let's come down towards Sparta, Tennessee. I don't know what that'll be.